Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix lag and increase FPS in EA Sports FC25. Let's get started. First, go to the main menu, then go to settings, then game settings, then display configuration. If your game is running below 3 FPS, I recommend lowering most settings to low. You'll lose some image quality, but your game will run much smoother. If your FPS is already above 60 and you just want more stability, here are the best optimized settings. Turn vertical sync off. Turn strand based hair off. Set rendering quality to medium or high depending on your PC. Then set grass quality to medium. Set crowd quality to low. You won't notice much difference. Set cloth quality to medium, then turn motion blur off. Now go to the visual tab and turn off unnecessary overlays like playstyles, overhead indicators, hypermotion overlays, and any extra visual effects you don't need. This reduces background processing and improves FPS. Now let's optimize Windows settings. First, search for game mode in Windows and make sure it's turned on. Next, go to settings, then go to system, display, then go to graphics and find FC25 in the list. If it's not there, click Add Desktop App and locate the game. Set the GPU preference to high performance and now search for power plan in Windows. If you're using a laptop, make sure it sets to high performance mode. If you're using a AMD GPU, open your AMD software and go to gaming settings and select FC25 and enable Radeon anti-lag for better responsiveness. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.